Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. We've got something good for you again. I feel as though I should have had an Easter bonnet on today because we've gone very, very Easter. So what have we got? Let's have a little peep. We have our Egg-celent Easter stamp and die set. So here they are. This is how they're going to come to you in their little pouches with their little boards at the back so you can file them in a nice system. Absolutely stunning as always. So let me just explain everything that you've got. I've got a little bit of flair on this. I'm going to pop them down and I'll show you the boards. So there's lots of connotations that you can make with this set. As you can see from the cards around me, I'll go through all those in a couple of minutes now and show you the stunning work that our team have done today. Right, so first of all, we've got the lovely basket. So you can have a back-in card to it, or you can just have a lovely clear basket, depending what you want to make with it. We've also got the cracked egg. The basket background will fit the cracked egg as well. So, nice little idea there. And we have a happy Easter sentiment. So to go with that, when I show you the cards, all this will become apparent. Let me bring this back. The dies I've got here are verso dies. So you either cut them plain and use your pattern papers or anything you want to colour, something like that. Or you cut your pattern into the die. So that's that one. Then we come on to the next one. So we've got the lovely decorative, beautiful, beautiful die. I love a scalloped edge. Then we have the small egg, the layers on top. Again, the pattern die is a verso die, so it will cut into this shape and then they layer together. And then we have even smaller eggs. We're going down and down in size. Again, another verso pattern. You can either cut and stamp, we'll come to that in a sec, or you can use your pattern papers with it. Some little flowers to decorate, some little teeny tiny, there are your mini eggs. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely little scalloped edge that you can either use plain or add the decorative detail. That's another verso die. Your little bow to add onto the side. Some banners to decorate and put little messages on as well. So that's our dies. Then we come to our stamps. So again, we've gone traditional Easter here. So we've got the gorgeous little chicks, the lovely little bunny rabbit who really looks like he's in a rush to get somewhere. So he's got a little barrow, he's got his carrot to sit in the barrow, little eggs, flowers, a hat to sit on the rabbit or the chickens. Beautiful, beautiful stamps. I can't say how much I love these. And then some lovely little sentiments then. Excellent day, have an excellent day. Cracking good Easter or hop to it. So they're not just going to be for Easter. Your hop to it could be anything at all. Anything you want it to be. Baby cards. I think these will work really, really well. So there's a couple of the stamps that will also fit the dies as well. So that's that. And then we have another section then where we have a box of shaker sets for you. So we have 5 of each shape will come in the box, and you probably could put little sweets or something into them. Any of your confetti will look really good in these. So that is the set as it's going to come to you. So shall we have a little look at some of these gorgeous, gorgeous cards? They've really made me feel like spring today because the colours, we're all beautiful, beautiful, gentle colours. And then we've got a couple that have really zinged with the lemons and the yellows. So this is a very traditional card to me. Lovely die cut card. basket we've made out of paper strips and filled to the brim with our little eggs. So Vicky has made this and she's paper pieced everything. Really, really sensational there. I should have said Egg-cellent, shouldn't I? Wah. We forget that one. This is a lovely little one again, a little bit of colour in there. Love the juggling. Absolutely love the juggling. And I think this is Christine. I thought it was Christine. Really, really cute, that one. Then we've got a really bright zingy one here. Gorgeous yellows and oranges. Have an excellent day. I'm going to take a little peek because I've forgotten who's done what. This is Dawny. Beautiful Dawny. Really, really gorgeous. We have another one from Christine here. So to me, this is a typical Easter card. So she's got Hop to It Easter and she's paper pieced again, the little Easter eggs and the beautiful basket. Love that. I'm collecting them all here. Oh, this one. I want to show you the inside of this. Look at that. They are as cute as a little button. She's used a little bit of crystal glaze on the beaks to make those shine. And then they pop down flat so you can close your card to send it. And then finished off with some die cutting on the bottom. And this is one of Dawny's. Beautiful. We've gone all out chickens this time. Look at these. That to me could be a triplets card. And your three little chicks are just about to pop out of their eggs. So a lovely bit of paper piecing, but also some stunning colouring. I have a feeling this is Dawny as well. Oh, this is Vicky. I love this one, Vicky. Love it. Colours, everything. Really, really gorgeous. Again, this one is another Christine. So she's used the shaker on this one with a little bit of confetti inside. And she's cracked the top of the egg open as well. And the chicken has just bounced out. Nice bright poppy one here. This is from Dawny. And she's coloured in all the little eggs. So she's cut them all in white and coloured them all in various colours. Lovely little bit of colouring and glittering on the small eggs as well. And a beautiful basket. So you can see the little trimming has been used on the basket, but it's also used to decorate the bottom of the card. So pretty. Another shaker. This one is Vicky. Vicky, I should have known that one. Lovely, lovely colouring on this. And she's popped some of the small eggs into the Easter egg as well, into the shaker. Love that one. And again, this is a lovely one. So this time, this is Dawny, and she's 3D'd the rabbit's face. They're easy shapes to cut out, so don't be afraid to do that. And then she's done a little bit of bunting with carrots and popped the crystal glaze on top. So, so cute. And on the bottom here, there's a little bit of texture, and that's the prills. And you'll find that on the website. We're very, very bright with this one. I think this is, Christine. So she's done an awful lot of paper piecing with all the little eggs and then popped a chicken on a little shelf. Love it. I can't say how much I love these cards. Another gorgeous bit of colouring. This is Christine again. I'm loving the way she's shaded all these little eggs here. And she's also used some of our clear glitter crystal drops just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm hoping they're picking up on the screen. Gives a little bit of dimension and a little bit of texture as well. But that could be a birthday card. That doesn't have to be an Easter card at all. So cute. And then last but not least, and this is Christine as well, she's done another shaker. She's popped some flowers in the Easter egg this time. I love that little hat on top of the egg. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's excellent again. Decorated with the little flowers and carrots. So pretty. I'm hoping you're going to have a lot of fun with these stamps and dies and shakers, obviously. They're just going to be available from the Tonic website. They're not going to be available at any other venue. So pop along, have a little look, and have a fabulous time. Happy crafting. Bye.